This is how you create an automated list of daily quotes. So we're over here on IFTTT.com, as you can see. We've been here before. If you've not checked out any of those other videos, make sure you check out our IFTTT playlist. Now here, again, this is IFTTT.com. When you go here, go to applets, or go to explore, okay? And what you can do is just search quote of the day. Of course, you saw my previous page where I had one set up. So you can just search this. This will help you figure out where you want to go. In this case, I'm just going to search Brainy Quote. Okay. And here's Brainy Quote. Brainy Quote is a website that has a ton of quotes. It is actually a very good resource if you're trying to find good quotes, just for anything. Really, it's an amazing place to go. So I love to use it. So here we are. And here you have it automatically sent to someone there's a ton of cool things you can do in here. In this case, you'd have to hit create. Say if this, okay, hit add, hit Brainy Quote. Okay, today's quotes, art quotes, funny quotes, love quotes, nature's quotes. If you want to go with the quote of the day, you have to do today's quotes, but then you'll also see there are a number of other ones here as well. Go here to today's quotes, but again, if y'all want to make some folks laugh, or if you just want to keep some things fresh in your life here, then you may want to consider those. Today we'll go to today's quotes, then that. Okay, so here's what happens, and here's what we want to have happen after this. Now, there's a number of cool things you can do here. In this case, I'm going to talk about what I do, which is I send everything into this Google Sheet. Okay, so I literally have a list. So you can see how many days. I literally have thousands of quotes here. So these are years and years of quotes. And I've just been letting this sit. And I've actually gone in recently, and you can see some of these are highlighted. And I started to pick some of the quotes out that I like. Okay, and that's why you see some of the ones that are highlighted in here, because I've been using some of those for content. Now that I have this huge list. Okay, so I would just go here and click add. All right, I'm gonna do Google Sheet. You can do some cool stuff here. You can have it sent into your content team if you want them to use it that way, whatever it is. But I'm gonna go to Google Sheet and use my Google Sheet, add row to a spreadsheet, or update cell in the spreadsheet. In this case, I'm gonna have it add a row. Okay, you go in here, spreadsheet name, Brainy Quote. So here, this IFTT literally will go in. So once you connect your account, it'll help you set up the spreadsheet itself. Now, I already have this stuff set up, so I'm gonna go all the way through this. And it's here, and you can kind of format the rows. These things separate the cells. So the quote, the source, the quote URL. So here, the quote, the source, the person, and then the URL. So if I click on this, it'll actually go over here to Brainy Quote and start pulling up a bunch of quotes, as well as other quotes from the particular speaker. So the source. So I think it's a really cool tool to help you get some content in. So I've really been loving now using the spreadsheet that I've built out this long list, essentially becoming an internal resource within the business. And so you can use IFTT to do this in many different ways on your end. Here, it gives you the location of the folder. It actually creates a folder in the spreadsheet. So if you don't have a folder here already for IFTTT, it will create one for you. Then you create the action. And that's it. And just every day you would log in and find your quotes there. Okay. If you need other help with this and technology and automating your business, make sure you check us out at automatewithease.com. Book a time and speak to us. And you also find a link in the description. I appreciate you, all that you do. And make sure you share this with a friend, family, or a foe. And make sure you like and subscribe for more videos like this.